Today I came home to a double clogged sink. None of the kids fessed up to it. I did see evidence of grease floating around in the water, so somebody must have put something down the drain that they shouldn't have. But I'm going to show you how I learned to unclog a grease double clog in the sink. So this is the first thing that most people do. They'll go get a plunger and they'll plunge one side of the sink. This is wrong, wrong, wrong. The water's just going to go from one side to the other side. So I'm going to show you the right way to unclog the sink. Now you can use two plungers, but what I use is just a sink stopper on one side and a plunger on another side. This works better with two people, so I'm going to have to put my camera down. But while I plunge, I'm going to have to get my daughter to hold the stopper in place, because as I plunge down, it's going to make that stopper try to shoot out of place. So this is the right way to do it. It's going to take me 10 seconds. Let me put my camera down. Okay, so as you can see, the water is now gone. I don't have any more stagnant water on either side of the sink. I just plunged for about 10 seconds while she held that stopper in place, and that's it. You now have water running down. This is the left side of my sink. I'll switch it over to the right side and let you see that water is working on this side as well, and it's not coming up on the left side. So this is something anybody can do before you call a plumber, before you go out and purchase Drano or start pouring other crazy stuff down your sink. Just try stopping it up on one side and plunging it on the other. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this helpful. Bye.